Hey y'all, welcome to Kicking It with Ari. I'm Ari and today I'm going over a hair vendor that I just recently purchased from for my up-and-coming hair company. Before I get into the review, I want to say when you're sampling things for a potential hair vendor, get something you can physically use. I made a major mistake. I have wasted so much money on bundles. A lot of companies will give you sample bundles for free or just bundles that you can purchase at whatever links, and I thought that was a great idea. I'm like, cool, I get to dye the hair, style the hair, do whatever I want with it except actually wear it, because I wasn't buying multiple bundles. I was buying one bundle from a company or two to sample to see if I liked the hair. Now with that, I have some great bundles, but I'm not wearing them every day. I can't see what they're like when worn for numerous amount of hours. I can't see how it's styled on my head. I don't know how it feels when I don't moisturize it or wash it. So like I said, I'm stuck with a bunch of bundles that I'm figuring out what I'm gonna do with them. So purchase something you can wear. I can't say that enough. I've wasted like $500 on hair that's kind of just chilling now. But I digress. So today I'm going to be talking about I Virgo hair. I Virgo hair. I found them on Instagram. So what I did was I just went to, I was looking for Vietnamese hair at the time, because word around town is that Vietnamese straight hair is some of the best hair you can have on the market. So I was looking for a Vietnamese vendor, and I came across I Virgo hair, and they're a Vietnamese wholesale hair vendor. On Instagram they have 4,360 followers. I found that Vietnamese vendors typically don't have like the 10K like the Chinese vendors do, because honestly the Vietnamese hair can be amazing, but as far as like wigs and frontals go, it's not the greatest. Chinese factories are typically way better at creating the frontals for wigs and things like that. They sell Vietnamese and Cambodian hair, which I was excited about because I've been dying for some Cambodian hair as well. From my knowledge, Cambodian hair is a little bit more coarse than Vietnamese hair. It's not as silky straight. So yeah, like I said, I Virgo has 4,360 followers. 1,686 photos, so I felt like they were pretty, they were pretty good, had some good things to go off of. So I decided to contact the vendor through WhatsApp, and we had a good communication going. Answered all of my questions, was very, very fast. I'll actually put her in the description box. Her name is Sarah, and I'll put the number attached to her as well. So I was having a great experience, and I was really excited about the hair. I thought that maybe I had found a good Vietnamese hair wholesale hair vendor. And then when I went to place my order, I was a little bit too excited, a little too anxious, and it ended up being a lot of money. It was... So what I ended up purchasing from them was one 18-inch straight Vietnamese double drawn hair at $61, and then one 18-inch wavy Cambodian hair at $78. Shipping was $42. $42. So for two bundles, one Vietnamese, one Cambodian 18-inch, I ended up paying $193.60. And I don't know what possessed me not to say don't do it. Like, take your time with this, think it through, know what you want, because as soon as I made that purchase, I was like, they don't have great frontals. What am I really gonna do with this hair besides possibly make some clip-ins or have hair for a traditional sew-in with a leave out, which isn't even what I want to market my brand on really. So I made the purchase, and I was just like, you know what, I already did it, let's go through with it. This purchase was made on January 1st, 2021. Cute, right? New Year's Eve. It's probably why I was feeling frisky. January 1st, 2021. I received the hair in the package. What is today? January 25th, 2021. So in this time, I had already decided who I wanted to be my hair vendor. So a week ago, I contacted Sarah from I Virgo Hair, and I said, hey, unfortunately, you know, I did find someone, well, fortunately for me, but unfortunately for you, I did find someone that I wanted to be my hair vendor, and I was wondering if you haven't already created the bundles, could I just get a refund? And this was, I want to say like 12 days after I waited. Mind you, it was supposed to take about 7 to 10 business days. So 12 days after approximately, I was just like, hey, is it possible to do a refund? And she said to me, she said, we are trying to give you the hair as soon as possible. Please wait, hun. I said, I found a hair vendor that I like and want to work with. That's why I'm asking if it's too late to cancel. She sends me hair reviews from her other clients. And she said, we are making your order, so please wait, dear. So I'm just like, you know what? Okay, this is probably my fault. Whatever. Then she responds a couple days after, hi, hun, my boss said your order would be ready today. Can we send them to you? I said, hello. Do I have the option to not have it sent and get the money back instead? And she said, I received your order, which is so nice, and your order is ready to ship. Hope you can receive them to test our quality, dear. I'm not gonna lie, at this point I started getting hot a little bit because I'm like, why is she playing with me? This lady, like, So I asked, have you shipped it already? And she said, I need to confirm with you, so I haven't shipped it. Can we send out the hair today? I said, do I have an option not to receive the hair and get the money back instead? Or can I please have my money back? She said, because your order is ready to ship, can you wait for us to sell your order? So what she was saying is, if I don't want it, wait until someone orders what I ordered, and then I'd get my money back. And then I said, are you unable to do a refund now? What is your return policy? She said, like the problem, it's not our fault. Can you wait for us to sell them? So at this point, I was just like, you know what? Send me the dang hair. Like, I bite the bullet. I wasted $200, whatever. So the return policy is, I can return it within 7 days, but it doesn't include shipping, taxes, or other expenses. So in the end, I'd be losing out on money either way. So I was just like, you know what? Give me the freaking hair. Like, I don't care. So that was my experience, and I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty annoyed. But like I said, it's my own fault at the end of the day. I knew I couldn't do anything with this hair after I purchased it except for feel it, test it out. And what I really need to start focusing on is the actual lace and wigs rather than the bundles, because hair for the most part is gonna be hair. So that's my little spiel about that. I'm gonna open this bad boy up. It should be 2 bundles, two 18 inches, one Cambodian, one Vietnamese. I don't know why this is even in my ear. There's nothing happening. Alright, we got 2 bundles of hair. So this must be the Vietnamese straight. Not gonna lie, it feels great. I've never had hair legitimately not have a smell. This legitimately does not have a smell. Like, it literally does not have a scent. I'm sick right now. I'll be right back. This is amazing. All right. So this is the Vietnamese straight in body yaddy 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 yaddy. Okay, like what? I believe this is the double drawn hair too, so it's literally full. Root to tip. Sick. This is the Cambodian wavy, and this is supposed to be raw. Again, literally no smell. Like, I've never had hair that did not physically have a smell. And I'm not gonna lie, she said that the Cambodian is a little bit of a coarser texture. It's definitely a coarser texture, but in a great way. It's all right. This is something great. Not gonna lie. Again, very full from root to tip. Feels amazing. Wow. These are great, I'm not gonna lie. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bleach these, a piece of the bundle, on a separate occasion and do an update of how well it took to color. I found something I don't love. Here we go, here we go. It's single wefted. I knew something had to be wrong. They're only single wefted instead of being double wefted. So we literally got alright. So all in all, the hair was absolutely amazing. Like, that was probably some of the best hair I felt in a long time. Probably ever. So the hair feels great. Hair smells great, and I'm sure it's gonna color great. I'll update y'all on that in a little bit. Cons, shipping was $42, like I said. And it also took 24 days to come. But I mean, it's probably worth waiting for, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this hair's kind of great. Another con, it's single wefted, so you just got a crazy long string of hair. I think that's my only cons. Yes, so if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. And like I said, I'll leave Sarah's WhatsApp down below. Thank y'all. Peace.